Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID credentials and that you can receive two-factor codes on another device. This is crucial. Once done, install the necessary Android apps, Apple Music, or plan to use the browser for iCloud so you can sign in. Make sure you have a spare email or phone for recovery and write down app-specific passwords if you use them. This prevents lockouts. Now sign in with your Apple ID where prompted and respond to the two-factor request immediately. Next, you map which Apple services you need and choose the Android path: native apps, standard protocols, or web. For email, contacts, and calendars, set up a map, card DAV, and cal DAV using your Apple ID credentials and an app-specific password. This lets your phone sync. For Apple Music, install and sign in, and for photos, notes, and Find My, use iCloud via the browser, because Apple does not offer full native Android support. While configuring, check sync settings and storage permissions. Finally, you verify everything. Confirm sync completed, grant required app permissions, and test sending or receiving a contact, calendar entry, or music stream. If an app rejects your Apple ID, generate an app-specific password from your Apple account. This often resolves authentication issues. If you cannot complete two-factor verification, use account recovery or a trusted device to restore access. Do this early to avoid lockout. One key tip: if sync fails, toggle permissions and re-enter the app-specific password before more drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.